Hello dear students. Today we will discuss on World Health Organization guidelines for quality control and standardization of herbal drugs. Contents of this presentation are definitions of relevant terms, needs of quality control, safety in quality management, constraints in quality control of herbal drugs, three pillars of ideal herbal drugs and their rational use, World Health Organization guidelines provided by WHO for herbals, standardization of herbal drugs, crude plant parts, plant material, processed plant material, non-plant material, flow diagram standardization as well as analytical procedure. Few part I will cover in this presentation, rest of the part I will cover in the next presentation. So friends, herbal medicines are the oldest form of healthcare known to humanity and has been used in all cultures throughout history. Definitions of relevant terms are: first is the quality status of a drug that is determined by identity, purity, content, and other chemical, physical, or biological properties. Safety, that is to use assure the drug did not have any hazardous effect. Purity is not contaminated with potentially harmful substance, and potency when the drug is the content of active constituents within the defined limits. Identity, it is the herb, the one is should be. And quality control, it refers to a process involved in maintaining the quality and validity of a manufactured product. Herbal preparations are preparations obtained by scientific treatment such as extraction, distillation, fractionation, purification, or fermentation. These includes committed or powdered herbal substance, tincture, extracts, essential oils, and processed exudes. Herbal substances are precisely defined by the plant part used, that is, leaf, stems, rhizomes, roots, as well as bark. Certain exudes have not been subjected to a specific treatment or also considered to be herbal substances. Markers are chemically defined constituents or group of constituents of a herbal substance which are of interest for control purpose independent of whether they have any therapeutic activity. What is the need of quality control? It covers quality control and standardization, reduce adulterations with substandard drugs, improper authentication and scientific validation of the therapeutic claims, identity, purity, efficacy and safety, customer satisfaction and confidence. So here you can see the safety in quality management. The various problems are occurring. For example, misconception that all herbs are safe. Second, poor quality products, toxicity, interaction with other medicines, misuse of herbal drugs, incorrect dosing, mistaken use of wrong species, as well as the adulteration with other medicines. Again, constraints in quality control of herbal drugs. Various constraints are there. For example, main dependence on wild source, herbal pharmacopoeia, lack of public test house, lack of safety evaluation facility, poor investment in research and development of HMP, lack of trained manpower, pharmacovigilance data which are not collected, no certificate of raw material, adulterations as well as the substitution, and finally regulatory aspects. Friends, these pillars are identical herbal drugs and their rational uses are: the first is the quality, safety as well as efficacy. So these are the guidelines of rational uses. WHO. Let us discuss on WHO. What is WHO? WHO is the World Health Organization. is a specialized agency of the United Nations that is concerned with international public health. It was established on 7th of April 1948 with its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. WHO is a member of the United Nations Development Group, that is the UNDP. World Health Organization provides guidelines for prevention, control, safety, efficacy, as well as evaluation and standardization of herbal materials. For example, WHO 2005, 2002 A and B, 199 AB, 1998 AB, 1996 AB, and 1990, 1981 and 1979 are sessions. These are the guidelines provided by WHO for herbals. A set of guidelines for assessment of herbal remedies has been published by WHO. These guidelines specify criteria to be used in evaluating commercial crude drug intended for use. That is a WHO Traditional Medicine Strategy 2002 and to 2005. WHO Guideline on Safety Monitoring of Herbal Medicines in Pharmacovigilance System, that is 2004. Guidelines again continued. Quality Control Method for Medicinal Plant Material, published in 1998. WHO Guideline on Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP, for Herbal Medicine, published in 2005. And WHO Monograph on Selected Medicinal Plants are, just 4 volumes are available. First volume released in 1999, second 2004, third 2007, and fourth one was published in 2009. WHO guidelines for assessing quality of herbal medicine with reference to contaminants and residues was published in 2007. Basic test for drugs, pharmaceutical substances, medicinal plant material and dosage form was released in 1998. Again, General Guideline for Methodologies on Research and Evaluation of Traditional Medicine was published in 2000. WHO Guideline on GACP for Medicinal Plant was published in 2003. Guideline again continued. Research Guideline for Evaluating the Safety and Efficacy of Herbal Medicine 1993, and Regulatory Situation of Herbal Medicine, that is the worldwide review, was published in 1998. So thank you. We will continue in the next session, rest of the part, and if any doubts and queries, you are feel free to ask anytime. Thank you.